Welcome to the Beyond Press channel, and today we are going to show our new spinning top design. The original spinning top video is doing so great that I thought it would be a good idea to plan the bigger one today and made short video about it. So here it is. It has like a modular structure, so you can change a lot of things from the spinning top without doing completely new one, which is good because this is quite big and time consuming thing to do. And I can show some dimensions. I have here some drawings. So the total diameter with these blunt mayhem tools is about 75 centimeters, and the diameter of the disc is half a meter. So I think this is like 2 feet or something like that in American. And then the height of the mayhem tools from the ground is now about 20 centimeters. But there is modular structure on the lower part of the thing, so I can add these like middle things here or remove them as I want. So if the things that I'm destroying are quite small, I can make this go here quite low. And then if I want to destroy something bigger, I can add more of these and then it's higher up here. So I think it's good to have some versatility on this part. And then back to the 3D. So here you can see that this part here is machined. I'm going to do it myself with lathe. And these are also here. This is like a bottom part and this is the middle part that I can use to adjust the thing. And yeah, I'm going to mill here some like surfaces that I can use to tighten them up there just with one screw there. It's like threaded. And then I'm going to order these sheet metal parts from local like plasma cutter. They are going to have the holes ready made there. Probably they are precise enough, because I'm going to put a bearing ball here to get like a round surface here. This sharp thing would be too sharp and it would like destroy the surface that I'm going to have under this, or then it would destroy itself. So when using like bearing ball that has some surface to move, it doesn't matter if this isn't completely balanced. And if I want it to be, I can like use my balancing machine to balance this. I have so big balancing machine that I can make this balance this quite well. But I'm probably going to order the holes ready made here. So then I'm going to probably machine this hole right here, which is going to then slide over this surface to make at least this round thing sit on quite well on the middle. And maybe not this surface, it doesn't matter so much. Yeah, and the whole thing is kept together by these bolts. They are M16, I think it's strong enough. I could use this software to calculate how much force these could take, but I think that isn't necessary. And it's also really hard to predict how hard these are going to hit, and it depends also a lot on the stuff that I'm going to destroy. And if this fails, then I can just weld shitload of welds here. This is quite much bigger than the old one, and because the diameter is so large, you cannot reach the middle thing to use like drill or some motor by yourself. And then of course this is really dangerous. If that smaller one was like 2, this is full 10. So I have to be like 100 meters away when this starts to spin. So I'm going to have these ball bearings here, and I'm going to build remote controlled launcher that is going to like hold from these outer rings the thing in its place, and then I'm going to have a rope or cable around here, and then I'm going to probably use car to pull that cable out. With car I have quite much of power. I have 200 horsepower 4-wheel drive van, which is going to pull really hard, and then the car can go quite fast, and because this is 10 times smaller diameter than this here, so if I drive 20 kilometers an hour, this diameter here is going to spin 200 kilometers an hour, and same thing if I go like 60 kilometers an hour, then this is going to spin 600 kilometers an hour, so it's really good. And when the rope has run out, this just spins in the support thing, and then the remote control system will let it free, and then I have some kind of metal ramp that's going to allow the thing spin down, and on the end of that ramp there is something that is going to have really bad day. Yeah. So please write down in comments what do you think. Is this good plan? Will it work? And should I have these blunt things here, or sharp blades, or chains, or what I should have here? Then the most important thing, how heavy it is. I calculate it right now. This calculates every bit and bob to it. So the total weight is 60 kilograms. So it's really heavy. And then this also calculates how much energy it's going to store when it's spinning. So I think I could make I make quick calculation. I think let's say that the car drives 40 kilometers an hour, and there is this 50 millimeters diameter this thing here. So I'm going to use that data and this here and calculate how much energy would be in this spinning thing. So I made some unit changes and calculations, and I'm not sure if everything went right, but if the car goes 40 kilometers an hour, then the thing spins about 4,000 revolutions per minute, and that is 420 radians per second. And here is the moment of inertia from the vertex key 4 that I used to draw the thing. So the energy in total would be about 73,000 joules, which is it's really lot. I think that, like, if I remember correctly, 308 rifle cartridge is about 2,000 or 3,000 joules. So this is shitload of energy. So this is going to probably have enough speed and energy and everything. Only thing to left is to build this, and then the like support and quick release mechanism thing. It's going to be probably harder to build than the spinning top itself, but I think this is probably the best way to do this and cheapest. Because now I don't have to buy any motors or stuff like that. Yeah, but I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.